exploring a website. Websites can be full of amazing content. We can find stories to read, pictures to look at, and videos to watch. Some websites have games we can play, quizzes to test our knowledge, or even interactive activities that make learning super fun. Websites have buttons or menus to help us move around. These are like signposts that show us where to go. We can click on links or buttons to explore different pages on the website. It's like opening doors to new rooms full of exciting things. Sometimes websites have a search bar where we can type in what we're looking for, just like asking a question to find out what we want. It's important to remember that not all websites are meant for children. Some websites might have content that is not suitable for your age. That's why it's always good to have an adult nearby to guide you. Here are some child-friendly websites. PBS Kids, National Geographic Kids, Cool Math Games, and BBC Bitesize. Here we go with quiz number 3. What is a website? A special place on the internet where we can find information, pictures, and videos. A type of food that you can eat for breakfast. A game that we can play with a ball and a net. That's right, it's answer A. A website is a special place on the internet where we can find information, pictures, and videos. Question 2. How can we navigate a website? By clicking on links or buttons to explore different pages? By taking a walk in the park? Or by listening to music on our headphones? You are right. We can navigate the website by clicking on links or buttons to explore different pages. Question 3. What kind of content can we find on websites? Stories to read, pictures to look at, and videos to watch. Recipes for baking cookies. Instructions for building a rocket ship. All 3 of these answers are right. We can find lots of different content on websites. How can we stay safe while exploring websites? By only visiting websites approved by our parents or teachers? By sharing personal information like our address and phone number? Or by clicking on every link we see on a website? That's right, by only visiting websites approved by our parents or teachers.